3:30 in the morning, guys. At the airport, ready to get on a flight.
You guys going fishing?
Yes, sir.
Charles?
Yes, sir. What's up, buddy? How are you? Pleasure to meet you. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Good, good. Yourself? I'm gonna
Good.
put these right in here, okay?
Perfect.
This thing's moving. Yeah, I don't trust this thing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Guys, have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Have a good one. She gave us 3 scoops, but it looks like she gave us 1 big scoop. I think that's what they do to that net. You saw how it was flat and there was no...
net, exactly.
20 bucks a scoop, guys.
It's not bad.
Crap.
I'm just gonna cast it out there for you.
Okay.
Switch your spots. Did you guys get a few grouper yesterday, you said?
Not yesterday.
No?
We had a massive bite on a big grouper, though.
Yeah.
But no.
He rocked us up, couldn't get him back out.
What do you get mostly? Black or a little bit of everything?
Black grouper, or well, we're fishing for right here. Then you can catch your red groupers, and then out deep you can catch like a snowy or yellow edge.
Sweet. Did you come go to school down here too, Captain?
I went to Miami.
Miami, okay.
There you actually can get an education.
You can actually get an education.
Get a good education.
He throws some
I just skipped
stones.
a lot of school.
He's like, I was
Over there
fishing.
they show you how to read, you know.
We would run.
Yeah, buddy. What did you see?
I just saw one jump.
Oh, did you?
Take that rod. Right there. Pull it out. It's going to be a rod. I'm going to put a bait on there for you. Girl, start working back here if you want to catch a fish. We're going to have Junior get one, and then we'll switch off and get another one. The more people fishing, the more fish we can get in the boat. Them in the water a little bit, and when I tell you, you're gonna freeze pull it behind, kind of like the yellowtail, right where your dad's fish is. Okay?
He smacked it pretty good.
We'll go under you. You're gonna go over me. Yell at me, Charlie. I don't care, but I can't. I don't know what's going. I was in the middle of peeing. I was literally peeing. Bring it in, boss. Walk backwards, reel. Can you bring this in for me? And then put the hook on the handle. Reel, reel, reel. Charlie, I'm going to pass you this grouper rod. Here, buddy. Slow and steady, slow and steady.
You want to walk them around the whole boat?
Do a backflip. We're going to do one foul swoop right into the cooler, okay?
Okay.
Reel down, reel down, reel down.
Watch it, Mom. You're gonna see a fish in the face.
Oh yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, you got to be careful.
Right there is a frigate. That's the name of that bird. And so that bird cannot get wet, but he will give us a target of where these mahi are at. So we're following around with that bird and dropping lines in.
I want yours to be the longer ones. Mine's right here in the white wall. Here, it's all old people. What? look right here.
Oh my goodness, look how huge it is.
They're doing it. You didn't see it?
Oh, I saw it. Oh, wow.
Yeah, there's a few. There we go. That's us. Bite already be on. Reel him in. Let's go pitch.
Pops, reel this one in.
Quickly, so we can get on these fish. Put these lures back down or no?
No.
They're diving towards them.
Got him on. Hey. Oh, man,
my bad.
Here, Pop. Let me get that rod so I can untangle.
My bad.
Oh, you're good. Look, you got the big one. You son of a gun. You got him, Pops. You got the big one. Grab this one. Hold right there. Bring him in. I got one on the back already. Start bringing him in like I showed you into the cooler. Somebody go open the cooler real quick. Somebody touch this button and turn off the well. Sorry, bro. I fell.
Oh, you're good.
You heard me, Pop?
There's a nice one here.
Hang on, here.
I know. Just relax. Just relax. You don't have to do all that. Just slow and steady. Don't let it spaz out, but keep pressure on him. She's up close to the boat. You want in a rod holder?
Sure. Back. Throw it back. Coming for it.
What are you doing? You have one on? Okay, move. Watch what you're doing here. Here. Hold your rod. Let me go over. Under. You're going over. Bless. You gotta act like you fished before, honey. You gotta get your head in it and out of it. Here, hold this fish. Keep him right in that area. Don't let him tangle on anybody else. Reel it a little bit. Pay attention to what you're doing. Get this under your arm. Start reeling a little bit and just keep him up at the top. Don't pull him out. Got this one?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Want to retie this one or just let it be the one we cut?
Here, go get one, man.
Gotcha.
Are we having fun or
Yeah, buddy. Let's go. I got the small one. The small one grabbed it.
We're catching fish in the middle of a hurricane.
Yeah, try not to pay attention to that part.
Charlie gets struck by lightning. I've actually been struck by lightning, so we're all good. Like, I've never been in the same place twice. With my luck, I'm gonna get fucking struck again. Look at you. Throw that mofo in here, boy.
Charlie, for real, measure. Listen to me.
Yeah.
I measure a couple feet or leave.
Yeah, I know. Nothing I can do right here. Just letting him dance around.
Okay. Measuring them now. Let me get this kid a big one.
It's a big one there if you can pitch in there. Slow down.
You got one.
Whoa.
Mama Vic.
Split up.
Get it hooked up for you.
Brace yourself. Don't get in a rush.
Steady. Hold her.
Just reel and pay attention to what you're doing. Pull it up.
Real fast.
Up,
You're gonna lose them.
up,
You gotta reel fast.
up. You got to get this up. You have to.
Should I throw the field? Mama. You gotta stick yourself in that corner and you're gonna fall all over the place. Lean forward, lean forward. I don't mean to speak like that, but you're gonna hurt yourself.
Keep the rod tip up. Watch the motor. Come on over, come on over.
Bring him in.
Watch your rod tip. Watch your rod.
Like we did before. Walk him to the front, put him in the box. Bend your knee.
Be ready.
Stick it in the rod holder, put him in the box, give yourself extra line, open that bail.
There's a nice one.
Walk him to the front, buddy. You pop.
behind her line.
Come on.
Yours in the cooler.
Watch out, Mom. Watch out. I'm going to fling this up there. No, just leave it alone. Leave that alone. Just watch out because I'm going to flip him right up to you.
Okay.
Big fish.
Yep.
Nice. Nice one.
Right there. Keep your fish right there.
You're good. You're good. You're good. Just let him chill. You're good. Just keep tension on him. He's on. He's on. He's on. We're good. We're out of rods.
To the bow, my boy. Right
Slow.
here on my head.
Watch that line. Watch that line in front of you.
In the box. In the box.
You're not going to eat here, guys. Keep three-line it. Hey, use the net. Use that net over there to your left. I'll be your right. They're about 100-foot pass. Hook them through the nose. From the bottom up.
You know how to do it, right? Just straight through the bottom and pull up through the lip. You just crossed.
Reel that in.
You're good. I think you're fine. Nah, I think you're fine.
Here, fish is about to eat it.
Looked like a bunch. Somebody get this off my back. Can you get this off my back? Get that line, just wrap it off me. Thank you.
Bring him in, bring him in. Bring him in. Both of them. Both of them. Close it down.
Watch your step. It's a little drop off right there.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, but I've heard his point before.
Who gets the cash? You or the captain?
For the tip? Yeah, it's it.
Awesome.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you.
Thank
Absolutely.
you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
so much. Thank you.
I'll see you here in a couple of years.
Do you want me to just send you an address later, or however you want to do it? Is that cool with you?
I'll probably cut it. I'll probably I might just cut it now and see how if it's gonna be like this, and then I'll just give it to you guys. I'll just drop it off.
Take your time. We're in no hurry either which way you want to do it. We'll just go,
Yeah.
go dry off a little bit.
Yeah, have a
Thank
good
you
one,
so much,
guys.
brother. Appreciate
Yeah.
your time. Thanks for everything, guys. Let's go.